What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Chevelle. This one here's got a 350 under the hood, powered steering. AC compressor's there, it's not hooked up. We got front disc brakes, drum in the rear. What I like to do in this video is take you down the road, point out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories, finance options, and shipping is available for any car up here on the lot. I do two-part videos. One's a test drive, that's what you're watching right now. And one's a walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws on the body, undercarriage, and interior. But for now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh my goodness. The buzzer still works. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this? We're gonna be trying that out here in a moment. It's got a little tach right above the steering wheel. I can show you the mileage. You can't stand behind it. The motor has been changed out. Starts up nice and easy. The dash is in great shape. The interior in this thing looks awesome. Of course, we're going to be going over that in the walk around video. Headliner's got a little loose spot in the corner there. I call that a mechanic's headliner because it's never tight in the corners, but it looks good everywhere else. Tach's coming up. Let's try our wipers. Give me some wipers, man. Make sure they're not stuck on the hood. Yet they're not. Needs some work on the windshield wipers to get them working right. All right, played with it enough. Here we go. Blower motor is working. We should have heat up in here. Radio is not cutting on. We're gonna need a radio. Horn, y'all ready for this? No horn on this one. All right, guys, let's take off down the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay, guys, getting ready to take off down the road. I'm gonna wear this mask for the rest of this week, basically when I'm making the videos, just to be sure. Done my 14 days. Been feeling great since the third day. Haven't had any issues. But I'm back, guys. I'm ready. I literally redid everything in my house. It's one good thing out of it. But I'm ready to get back. I'm gonna go down the road in this car, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know what you're getting. Our gas gauge is on full. That could be it's unhooked from the gas tank. Usually if it's unhooked behind the dash, it's dead on E. Unhooked at the gas tank, it's dead on full. Man, power steering feels good. So it's going straight as an arrow down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. As soon as I turn, it turns. It feels good. Speedo's coming up. Kick down's hooked up. Turn signal is popping up on the dash here. Car feels good. Little 350s rocking under the hood there. Turn signal is popping up on the right side here. It's just nice and smooth. The brakes, nice and touchy, they feel good. All right, we're gonna pull in this parking lot over here. I'm gonna do an outside walk around of this whole entire car. I'm gonna pop the trunk, pop the hood, get some undercarriage shots. Got a nice big light the undercarriage up, and we'll continue this test drive. Good deal. Let's do it. Got to manually turn off these turn signals. It's got a great sound to it. Awesome. Everything's good so far. We've been circling the parking lot, did our full walk around video, which I want you to check out. The full walk around video will pop up the last 30 seconds of this one, or you can type in the year, the model, Maple Motors, and even use the stock number, which would be hashtag 886 on this one. All right, let's go ahead and take off out of here. He's letting us go. Making sure I got y'all straight. Nobody's around, so that's why I love using the GoPros for these videos. Connect right to your phone, you can see what's going on even though you're on my head. You can see all of my gear below in the description, and also put links on there. You can pick up any of it. Most of it's all Amazon. Definitely feel like the internals of the motor that have something in them to hop them up. Definitely a cam. Because every time I get down on it, the whole front end of the car lifts up. It definitely gets going down the road pretty quick. The suspension of this thing is nice and smooth. I am 100% shocked that it's not already sold. I missed a lot this week that just sold, you know, while I was out. So it's gotten to where that bothers me if I'm not here to video everything. Halfway up this road, there's a speed bump. We're gonna hit it at a moderate speed. Right here. Look how smooth that was. You can listen for rattles and shakes as well. And the good thing about this video, you can rewind and go over that bump 100 times if you wanted to. One last stretch. Ooh, tire kicker. Something cool I wanted to show y'all. Look at our new sign. Hot rod parking. Got everybody in the parking lot next door for their personal rides. Let's go ahead and pull back in the lot. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Watch both videos so you know everything about this car. And I'm gonna go to lunch and come back and grab another one. I got 9 to do. That's 18 videos. Later, guys. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do post videos almost every single day, except when I'm out for a week. But generally, there's videos flowing constantly. And you can see all of them here on the YouTube page. Hit that notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new car for sale. We also offer shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and 100 detailed pictures of every ride on the lot. That's at maplemotors.com. All right, guys. I'll pick something else out, wash it up, and take another test drive. Thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing my videos. It's helping me out greatly. Later, guys.